Hi, my name is Fifteen52. This is my official unboxing video of my brand new wheels for the R32. I'm really excited to be able to get these. Some 1552 podiums. These are 18 by 8.5 with a 35 offset. I've wrapped them with a 245, 40, 18 Federal 595. And I saw mixed reviews on this tire. I wasn't sure if it was one I wanted, but it was on sale, and whenever around Christmas time, everyone's on a budget. But they do look very nice. They're very aggressive. I'm really excited to get these on the car. So earlier, I opened this stuff, and I was trying to put the center cap in, but you have to push it in so you're almost breaking it, which I don't personally like. But more in the wheel. This is a multi-lug, which I know every car guy hates, but they came with these really, really nice billet aluminum pieces. Honestly, like most of these are plastic that I've seen in the world, and they look tacky, they're gross. This, you can barely even tell it's on there. Now the 1552 wheel cap, I mean, they're cheap and plastic. You gotta really push on it just to, yeah. And I feel like I'm about to break it, but it looks clean. The nut is made of aluminum as well, not some plastic that gets scarred up. And it does twist on a really fine tooth. Makes great sounds. And these are the wheels. They look clean. I gotta go get them actual clean. There's some dirt on from shipping. But overall, I'm in love with these. Stay tuned for my following videos. I'll be putting them on the car tomorrow, and my first reaction video. So like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.